Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete your Google Tag Manager account. Okay, so first up, just go head over to tagmanager.google.com. And once you're in here, you'll be able to see all of your accounts and its following containers, like so. This is your account and this is the container. Okay. Now what you'll do next to delete your account is just go ahead over the three dots right here, click on it. Now go ahead over to account settings, okay? Just click on it and wait for it to load. Now once it loads, as you can see here you have your account ID, your account name, and the amendment right here. But where is the delete button? Just go to the top right, click on the three dots once more, and here we have delete. Click on it and there will be a pop-up. Right here you want to delete this account, and this account will be removed to the trash can and will be permanently removed after 30 days. If you're really sure, just click on delete, and once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.